Can you drop them slowly? Oh, that's beautiful. It's like snow.
What's pepper?
Is it pepper?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's yummy.
Yeah.
It's kind of yucky and yummy.
Kind of yucky and yummy?
Yeah.
Because it can be spicy?
Yeah. People can run and get the candy.
You're pretending it's candy?
Yeah. That's just your candy.
Yum, thank you.
And we get people's candy.
Here comes a car.
So
Where are you going? Did you hear that loud truck? Yes, baby. Hi. Whee. If can you say perfecto?
Perfecto, Ben says.
That is what Ben says.
Big one.
Look at that bird crossing the street. What did he say?
Huh?
What did he say, the bird? Bye, family. Love you. Everything's in bloom. But pollen is covering everything. You can see from here those beautiful purple trees. Love you.